Xiaomi sub-brand is now busy working on the top-of-the-line K80 Ultra. Tipster Digital Chat Station revealed the chipset that will power the K80 Ultra. Redmi K80 Ultra will also feature the Dimensity 9400 Plus. Ship with Android 15 base HyperOS 2.0. Redmi K80 Ultra likely sport a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution LTPS panel with a flat display. Features a 50MP OmniVision OV50 primary camera, 32MP ultrawide camera, and 50MP ISOCELL JN5 telephoto lens with 2.6x optical zoom. 20MP front camera. The K80 Ultra powered by larger 7000 mAh battery, 120W wired, and 50W wireless charging support. K80 Ultra is also said to be IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.